Welcome to the Hostinger Coupon Code channel. If you're thirsty for the best Hostinger hosting deals, you're in the right place. I've used Hostinger's VPS hosting as an example, but you can choose any hosting plan that fits your needs. When you buy through my special partnership link, you'll get an extra 20% discount, while using just a coupon code gives you only 10% off, so you can clearly see the difference in savings. For this example, I selected a 24-month plan, and here's a bonus. A free domain is included with your order. If possible, always go for the longest duration to lock in the maximum discount. For instance, I once purchased business web hosting for around $41 for 1 year, and the renewal cost the next year was about $95. But if I had gone for 4 years up front, the total cost would have been only $108 for all 4 years. Huge savings. All you need to do is click the link in the description or the comment section, which will take you straight to Hostinger's website. From there, head to the Services tab on the navigation bar and choose the plan that works best for you. I'm personally going with the VPS plan, but the same 20% discount applies to any plan. Here's a quick tip. Always use a new email address that hasn't been registered with Hostinger to make sure you get the best deal. And don't worry about the currency. It may show in rupees in this video, but the discount stays the same when converted to your local currency. There are 2 checkout links provided, one for India and another for the USA or worldwide users. So pick your plan, grab your discount, and enjoy premium hosting at the best price.